Alright people, let's test this out. We got 0.10 nickel strip here. Test out our small welder, see how the weld is. This is 2 welds. That was a nice spark. Must not be true nickel strip, but that's okay. Because now, what we'll do is we test the weld here. There's 2 batteries welded. That's well. That is done on 0.6 milliseconds on the welder with an HRV 5200 milliamp battery. So let's try to pull these apart. You really have to yank on them to pull them apart, and it'll rip the nickel strip. Some of it gets left on the battery as well. As you can see, it takes a great deal of work to do to get it off. This video will be, I'll be doing another video of how this works as well, along with more videos once I get everything under control. This was done with the handheld of the Sequre spot welder. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like our channel.